Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're continuing on with this floor section on the FTO. So if you're new to the channel, I'm currently restoring this Mitsubishi FTO. So it has had quite a bit of work done already. So we got this welded in, so now we're working on this corner here. So you can see there's quite a bit that needs to be replaced. And if we look underneath, there's a bit here as well, just along this edge. So we're going to get working now on this. We already have some of it cut out. So we have this bit here already cut out. So I'll be remaking that when the time comes to put it in. But if you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. So we'll get working on this now. So we've got this section now all ready for the new piece to be welded in. So we're just waiting on the Pro Weld, so the weld through primer to cure. So as we're waiting for that, what I'm going to move on to is, you can see here, we have a bit filling in around the arch. So we're going to get at that now when everything is open. Here now we have the two sections that need to be patched up. They're all ready to go, so now we can get working on this inner arch section that covers over it, and then after that then we can move on to rebuilding the rest of this inner arch section. So now that we've this section welded in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build up this bit here. So be this bit going in and then a square piece there, and then I can build around the final bit, which will be from this corner here all the way over to the end here. Now that we've this section built up here on the inside, now we can move around and focus on this last bit here, so just filling in the rest of this. So we have this inner arch section all finished up. So in the next episode we'll be covering filling in all this section here and then repairing and replacing this inner section, and then we'll move on to the floor section and getting this corner all fixed. So thanks again everyone for the support, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.